Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zafira binti Hadidi, metric number 1181506. Today, we will be presenting about the infographic that have been chosen. So the first one, we will discuss general view about the infographic. So what is infographic? Infographic is a visual representation of any kind of information or data. So the infographic chosen in general is interactive infographic. It is easy to view with manageable length and size. It do have a killer headline, and the purpose of the infographic created is clear or information is meaningful and useful. Plus, it focuses on the flow and things show visually. Next, we move to general view about the user interface designs. The first one is the use of the colors. The colors are attractive but inappropriate color combination, and it is consistently used, enhance the flow and the visual appeal of the infographics. The next one is the use of the text and font sizes. It was consistent use of the font throughout the infographic, and it was a suitable font size and clearly describe data, graph, and images, and it is appear near to the relevant information and no spelling or grammar error. Okay, the next one is the arrangement of visuals. It is easy for the eyes to move through the content, and the data and information is clearly organized and connected. And the last one, how it displays the text or layout. The design and or layout make excellent use of font, color, graphics, effects to enhance the presentation, and the data presented make the information easier for viewer to understand, and the data support the main argument directly, and all the graphic or images are related to the topic and make it easier to understand.
My name Norzilati binti Yahya, matrix number 1181512. Okay, next we are going to discuss about general views about the content. Okay, first, does it provide statistics? Yes, the answer is yes. Okay, in computer terms, the human brain can store around 2.5 petabytes of data. And the second sentence is that's 2,500,000 gigabytes, or about 300 years of TV shows. As you can see, these two sentences is the statistic. Okay, the second one is, does it provide reliable reference in this infographic? The answer is yes. As you can see at the bottom of the infographic, there are the statements that state data sourced from, and they provide the link of the website or the article that they took the data or information and use it in their infographic. Okay, the next one is, does it easy to read? The answer is not really. Okay, first, you can see the combination of background color and the text color is good, and it can help a user to easy to read this infographic. But as you can see at this part, first, when the user or reader look at this, it's they will think that there are 3 points, but when I recheck from the data that they provide, it actually just 2 points. The first one is multiple, and the second one is a short learning session, so it can make the reader or user confused about this. Okay, the next one is, does it easy to remember? The answer is yes. As you can see, there are some part or some some text that are bigger than the other text. So this text is the key point or the important part. So it will help user to remember the important point on that infographic. Okay, the next one is, does it show or display too many errors? The answer is no. Okay, so the overall of the infographic we rate 4/5.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Oniwenti Rosli. For the comment and suggestion, there are 3 sections about infographic. First is that the reader will be confused when reading, where there is 3 sentences or 1 sentence. And for the suggestion, the infographic design need to be changed to another form so that the reader not confused. Number 2 is inappropriate color combination, and for me the color of writing and the background seem unbalanced and difficult for reader to read due the color of writing is not clear. In this section, I suggest use bright color for writing, and for the example is they can put black color so the reader can read more clearly. And for the last one is they use one type of font. This can make infographic look boring, so my suggestion is use other font for type and reminder. As a rule, do not exceed 3 type per face. Thank you.